Thank you, Valdez, for those wonderful comments. Your Excellency, you know, for us to sign an agreement, the negotiation requires a lot of truth. So now it is my pleasure to invite the truthful man, the Deputy President, Honorable Gachagua, to address the country.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the Executive Vice President of the EU, the Ambassador of the EU to this country, our Minister for Investment, Trade and Industry, and all those present, good morning. Your Excellency, this is a great morning for your administration and for this country. Your Excellency, the agreement that has been signed today has been stuck for the last 14 years, and within 9 months of your leadership, Your Excellency, what appeared impossible has been done. Your Excellency, this is evident fruition of your hands-on style of management. I was reading sometime, I think a month ago, some newspaper was complaining about your style of management, that you are hands-on. What I couldn't understand is, had they done some research, they would come to the conclusion that all successful institutions, all successful organizations are those who are led by the CEOs who practice a hands-on style of management. Your Excellency, this was stuck for many years. And through prudent commitment and focused leadership, you gave deadlines, you encouraged everybody to work, and that is why we have this agreement today. Your Excellency, yesterday morning, I found another headline saying that for the time you have been in office, you have spent 3 times what your predecessor spent on local and international travel. But these people are not honest enough and objective to also outline the level of activities that you have carried out in that period, because cost is determined by the level of activity. So I do invite the media to take time to find out when the President has traveled and to which country, what is the gain for the country. It's only then you can make an objective analysis. Your Excellency, as you took up the reins of this country, you found the economy in a quagmire, and you have taken a two-phased approach. One is to harness revenue collection locally. Number 2 is to reach out to our international friends and development partners to harness resources for this country's development. We want to encourage you to continue traveling to each and every country in the world and bring resources for the development of this country. And Your Excellency, I don't understand these people sometimes. They complain that you are traveling too much. At the same time, they complain that I'm not traveling. I don't know which is which. Because I saw them complaining that since you leave me around to mind the house, they say that you have stopped me from traveling and assigned me what they call useless duties. On the same page, they are complaining that you have traveled too much. I don't know what is it that they want to do. Your Excellency, we want to encourage you that you must continue with bilateral and multilateral diplomacy for the benefit of this country as you continue to locally harness resources to restore the economy of this country to where President Mwai Kibaki left us. With those very many remarks, I request you to be upstanding and help me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya. Mr. President.
Thank you.